That's cool. All right. Welcome back. Tucson Chronicles coming to frame. Right there in your spot. Today we're going to make some blue slime.
Yeah. I need that spoon.
I know you need a spoon. So we got our Elmer's clear glue.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Okay. I will put it
Saline
in.
solution.
Yeah. I will
Baking
put
soda.
Yep.
The boys put in a Ziploc bag, which is weird.
Then you
not sure.
take slime.
Actually asked him to put the whole container in a Ziploc bag, and
Yeah.
he just
Yeah.
decided to dump it in there. Like an episode of Narcos or something. Alright. Are you ready?
Yep. I want to put it in
I
first.
know you do. Go for it.
And this.
Good job. Sure it all goes in the bowl. Excellent. Excellent. Chicken butt. Excellent. Here's our ingredients, by the way. Left over from our glow-in-the-dark slime video. You got a fourth of a tablespoon of baking soda. You okay? It's all right, babe. Pay attention.
You do
Come on,
it.
come on.
You do it.
It's not. 2 tablespoons of water. And a tablespoon of contact
That's
solution.
enough.
That's about how it works.
That's enough. That's all.
That's enough. That's enough.
But the spoon won't come out.
You ready? Let's add the baking soda.
Yeah. That is it. Let's put that back on. Let's add the baking soda. And now put the color in.
Not yet.
Oh, yeah. There's some water. And put some spoon on it.
2 tablespoons of water.
And some of that. Some ingredient potion.
Some what? Potion?
Yeah!
What kind of potion is it, babe?
Ingredient potion.
Okay. It works.
No, sorry. I can do it.
Don't get it on you. You know it's washable. It's fine. Just pull it off, babe. Drip some drips in there. Don't drop it in there. That's enough. That's enough. Let's stir it.
I want to mix it. Can I mix it first?
Let me get it started. I want to get the coloring there.
And put some more in there.
Yes.
This is gonna be the best slime.
I mean, it should start to
Yay.
kind of congeal.
It's not even.
I think we did too much blue, babe.
It's okay.
We did way too much blue.
It's going to get on my hands, right?
No, it's not, because I'm going to mix it. Can
Ready?
you mix it with a spoon, please? Mix it with a spoon. Mix it up real good. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
I'm mixing
Don't
it.
splash it.
I won't. It sticks right onto the spoon.
Yeah, it'll stop sticking in a minute.
I'm going to stretch it.
It's almost slime.
Whoa.
It's more glue than it is slime. So,
What are we going to mix it? What are we going to mix it now?
we have to tweak the ingredients just a little bit. This keeps it from sticking. Makes it more slime and less glue. Let me see.
That's so funny. We add some more glue, but there's still a little bit more glue, so
It's
we
alright.
have to get it out.
No, you can leave it in there.
Yeah, it's okay. We have to get all that out. I add water out the cup because my cup is very
No,
dirty.
the water's fine, babe.
Wow. Dad, keep it.
Look how sticky it still is.
It's okay. I'll get
Stop,
off.
stop, stop. One more. Contact solution.
Okay.
This contact solution's got, I believe, I guess it's boric acid in there. Sodium borate.
We are going to add
Yeah,
some
some
more
boric acid
water
apparently.
and
That's what makes it slime as opposed to glue.
oops, sorry about that.
You can kind of stop.
I opened it. Stop it. You're going to get it out. No, get it out. This one is like that.
So ending result, here's our blue slime.
Yep.
I'll put the description in the, or the ingredients rather, in the description box.
Now.
Description box? I'll put the ingredients to the slime
What's mine?
in the description box along with
Yellow.
how I tweak the little recipe and where I get the ingredients.
Can we make yellow now?
We can make yellow now for sure.
Yay!
So stay tuned. We'll have more videos, DIY with Penny, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. The like button would be awesome as well.
And next time, Dada said we are going to make yellow.
We're gonna make yellow slime.
Yep.
All right, stay frosty.